So guys, can you guys tell me what are the prerequisites of the Spring Boot? What do you think the prerequisites of the Spring Boot? Huh? Guys, please speak up. Hello? Guys, if you speak only, then only I can say, right?
So Java and basic knowledge of Spring Framework and MVC.
Okay. Okay. The first and foremost thing is uh, core Java, guys. Okay. You should, it is, it is mandatory to learn core Java before Spring Boot. Okay. So at least you should be strong in OOPS fundamentals, and collection framework, collections, and exception handling, and multi-threading, IO streams. So these are the, at least you should have some minimum understanding of these things, guys. Okay. Then only you can learn Spring Boot, guys. Okay, right? Guys, now you tell me what will come under advanced Java, guys. Anyone? What will come under advanced Java? Can someone tell me? What are the different technologies introduced by Sun Microsystems under advanced Java? Can someone tell me? Please, guys, please speak up. Hello, guys, come on.
Servlet,
Yeah, come on, Servlet. Very good. Yeah,
JSP,
very,
JSP.
very good. Then one main thing is to interact with the
Spring
database.
Framework,
No, no, Spring Framework is
JDBC.
no. Yes, JDBC. Okay, JDBC, and then MBC, guys. Okay, so these are the technologies that came under advanced Java introduced by Sun Microsystems, guys. Okay, so here core Java is called standard edition. Okay, J2SE. Okay, Java standard edition, and advanced Java is called Java EE, guys. Okay, J2EE. Okay, Java Enterprise Edition. So basically, these two comes under, these two are introduced by whom, guys? Sun Microsystems. Do you think advanced Java is required to learn Spring Boot or not? Can someone tell me? Any idea? Do you think is it necessary or mandatory to learn advanced Java before Spring Boot? Is it so?
No.
No, guys. Okay, don't think that we do. You know, if we don't know advanced Java, we can't. It's not like that, guys. Okay, it is not required. Okay, if you already know that, if you already have some knowledge of advanced Java, that is fair enough. Good, so good. But if you don't know the servlets, JSP, JDBC, or MVC, no need to worry, guys. Okay, because these servlets will be replaced with the controller. Okay, and the JDBC will be replaced by JPA in the Spring Boot. Okay, everything is replaced, guys. Okay, everything we have an alternative module. Okay, right? So no, don't worry that okay, if I don't know these technologies, I can't learn Spring Boot like that. Okay, it is not mandatory, guys. Okay, clear? Guys, am I going? Am I speaking faster? No, right? Is that okay? My pace, which I'm speaking. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it's
So are
fine,
you able
sir.
to understand? Follow, right? Are you able to follow, right, so far?
Yes, yes.
So
Sir, your voice is low, sir, not loud.
not louder.
Voice is little bit low.
Okay. What about the remaining people? Are you able to hear properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please use your earphones. Okay, the one who is saying
Okay, okay.
please use earphones because yeah, this complaint I have seen in evening batch also. Some people will won't receive my voice and some people are comfortable actually. Okay, who is this? Hey, what is happening? Sunil, no, don't write anything on the board. Okay, I don't know how to block people. Okay, yeah, right, guys. So these are the technologies introduced by Sun framework. Okay. So let me very close to laptop now. 1 minute. Guys, is that okay now? I was a bit closer to laptop now. Is that okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay, guys. So these are the technologies introduced by Sun Microsystems under J2EE, but these are not mandatory to learn before Spring Boot. If you know, that is fair enough. If you don't know, that's okay, guys. Okay, right? I will explain Spring Boot such a way that okay, no need of these things. Okay, clear? Right, guys. Now the next point is who are supposed to learn, guys? Who should attend this class? Come on. Who should attend this class? Or who for whom this course is, guys? Anyone? Guys, who should attend this class? Any idea, guys? Is it for freshers or is it for experienced people? Is it for bench people? You know, the people who are on the bench should learn. Is it like that? Okay, can someone tell me?
Actually, sir, as of my experience in last 2 months, I have given 4 to 5 interviews, and in feedback, I received that I am not advanced.
So you're a fresher or
So
experienced?
no, no, I am experienced, sir.
Okay, okay, yeah. So basically,
Yeah.
this course is for all the people, guys. Okay, it's for basically people will think it is not for freshers, but as my students who are going for the interviews in multiple startup companies and multiple mid-level companies, right? They are telling, sir, they are expecting Spring Boot and Microsoft. You know, they were asked Spring Batch concepts. Okay, right? So people due to this recession, okay, basically it is for experienced people only by default, but due to this recession and layoffs, due to the high demand, okay, people are expecting from freshers also SBMS, okay, Spring Boot microservices, okay, guys. Huh? So you can say this course is for freshers, experienced people, right? And and career gap people also, guys. Okay, career gap people also who learn core Java. Okay, so you can say. And one thing, guys, I want to tell, if you have this technology in your uh, Naukri resume or in your resume, you will get, if you keep notice period, okay, at least you will get 3 to 4 calls per day, guys. Okay, because I experienced that. Okay, some days there are the days where I used to get at least 10 calls, minimum 10 calls. When the time I was in the notice period, okay, that was the demand of this Java full stack, or that was the demand of this Spring Boot microservice course, guys. Okay, are you able to follow, guys, so far? Any doubts with respect to prerequisites?
Actually, I am on notice period, sir.
Sorry, you have?
I am, yeah, notice period.
Okay, you are in notice period. Okay, so
So, sir, I told you because in 4 to 5 interviews, I get the feedback. I'm not
okay,
advanced, so that's why I'm joining this
yeah,
course.
yeah, understand. That's what I'm telling, right?
Yeah,
So basically,
yeah.
there is a good demand of this course in the market, guys. Okay, Spring Boot microservices. Okay, so basically, who is writing, man? Why you writing? How to block, guys, this one? Admin is there. Admin, are you there? Guys, please don't write, guys. Okay, yeah, it is very bad. Yeah. Okay, so that was the demand of this course, guys. Okay, right. And uh, before start of our course, I just want to tell which year Spring and Spring Boot came to the market. Okay, right? Spring came to the market in came in 2007, guys, around. Okay, and Spring Boot came in 2015. Okay, it's been only 10 years, but this framework gained a lot of popularity, guys. Okay, clear? Why means we'll see in the upcoming days, guys. Okay, right? And this course, this guys, I suggest Java full stack course is one of the trendy course, okay, to shift from non-IT to IT, guys, okay. Guys, why I'm telling this means recently I have seen one article where, you know, guys, do you know what are Fortune 500 companies? Anyone? Guys, do you know what are Fortune 500 companies? Anyone, guys? Here? Huh? See, guys, you can have, you can go over there, okay? So you can see the Fortune 500 companies. See, guys, first stands for Walmart, Amazon, State Grid, okay, like this, okay? So these rankings change from year to year, guys, okay? Right? This was my previous company, guys, okay? UHG, Optum, I worked for 2 to 3 years, actually, yeah. Okay, right. So why I'm telling this? So I have read an article. So basically, 80% of the code base is there in Java, guys, with respect to Fortune 500 companies. 80% of the code already present in Java. Okay. So because of this reason, Java full stack is always evergreen, guys. Okay. Right? Okay. Let's go for the guys. The specialty of this course is I will explain 2 modules before start of the Spring Boot. Okay. Those with respect to Spring, guys. Okay. So Spring basics and Spring core. Okay. I will be explaining in detail, guys. Okay. Before going for what Spring Boot, I will be explaining these 2 topics in detail. Okay. Core. Okay, guys. So basically in Spring Core, I will be teaching, okay, different types of dependency injections with respect to CoreJava. The same thing with respect to by creation of bean file. Okay, the same thing with respect to auto wire annotations. Like that, before going for Spring Boot, I will be giving enough basics and I will be covering Spring Core concept end to end, guys. Okay, right? Clear? And I will be throwing some light on all the 9 modules of Spring Boot, guys. Okay, throwing some light. Okay, some insights on all the 9 modules of Spring Boot, guys. Okay, on a high level. But I will be teaching these 2 concepts, these 2 modules in detail, guys. Clear? Guys, are you able to hear me properly at least now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, the one who are not able to hear properly, please use earphones. Okay?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, yeah. It's now okay, sir. My side.
No.
I'm using
Okay.
earphones. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot for the support. Yep. Now let us go for the syllabus, guys. Okay, let me walk through the syllabus and I will give you the detailed syllabus sheet link. But whatever I'm writing, it will be on high level, guys. Okay, let us write the syllabus. Okay, right? Syllabus which we are gonna cover as part of this course. Okay, syllabus which we are covering. As I said, the first module is what, guys? Come on, Spring Basics, right? And the second module is what, guys? Come on, Spring Core. And the third module is introduction of Spring Boot, guys. Okay, Spring Boot introduction, building of RESTful APIs. Okay, like that, guys. Okay, clear? This is the third module, guys. So here we'll build RESTful APIs. Okay, and we'll see configuration setup of Spring Boot in all the possible ways, like that, guys. Okay, in Spring Core, what we used to do, guys, come on, I will be teaching different types of dependency injection, right? Okay, in Spring Basics, let us see. Okay, when the time come. Okay, right. Next, Spring Data JPA. Guys, any idea what is the Spring Boot Data JPA?
This is an ORM and its implementation is Hibernate.
Yes, super. Who is this?
Talha.
Yeah. So basically, guys, Spring Boot Data JPA is an ORM framework, guys. So it is a replacement of what, guys? Hibernate. And I will tell you why Struts and Hibernate got replaced. Okay, right? Okay, guys. Okay. Now at this point of time, I want to throw some light. Okay, with respect to JDBC, guys, why JDBC is outdated, guys? Can someone tell me why this is totally outdated JDBC?
Because of the boilerplate codes, we have to write every time many lines of codes for every methods.
Exactly correct, guys. Okay, that is due to the boilerplate code, guys. Okay, let me show you how to see. Basically, there are multiple steps. Okay, to connect to JDBC. Okay, right? So you can say JDBC code, something like that. Then we'll see. Okay. See, guys, here if you see the JDBC code, you need to load the class, load the driver class. Okay, then you need to establish the connection. Okay, get connection, and you need to create a statement. You need to execute the query, and you need to process the result set. Okay, so just for one method. Okay, if you want to connect that method from the database, you need to do how many steps, guys? 1, 2, 3, and what, guys? 4. Okay, and you need to handle these many exceptions also. Okay, and fifth step is handling exceptions, right? So if you see that, okay, come on, guys. The first step is what, guys? Loading the driver class. And second step is what, guys? Establishing the connection. And third step is what, guys? Executing the query. And fourth step is what, guys? Processing the result set. And fifth step is what, guys? Handling the exceptions. Guys, these are the steps which we have established in JDBC, right? To connect to the database. Am I right? So if you think in the project level, roughly, if we take 100 DAO classes are there, okay, each DAO class containing on an average 5 methods, that will be 100 into 5. Okay, that means 500 methods in the project. Okay, so if at each method, if you want to write these 5 lines again and again, so it is nothing but what, guys? 500 into 5 or not? How much, guys? Come on. 2500 lines. Okay, so do you think this 2500 lines is waste of code? So if you write these many lines extra code, unnecessarily you will be prone to errors, unnecessarily you will be prone to exceptions, and you can't the management of the project is not easy, right? And these many challenges will come, guys. Am I right? Huh? So because of this reason, JDBC is getting outdated, guys. This is one of the reason, guys. Okay, this is one of the reason. Okay, boilerplate code is one of the reason. Okay, to become JDBC outdated. Can someone tell me what was the second reason? I need second reason, guys. Anyone? Come on, anyone, guys? What was the second reason that JDBC is replaced with Hibernate or JPA?
Mapping.
Sorry, mapping. No, no,
Mapping.
no, guys. No, 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 no. Come on, guys. I need a perfect answer. Come on, think for 2 minutes and tell me. It is so important. Because of that reason, we are witnessing today data JPA. We are seeing today Hibernate like that. Okay.
Due to sir query structure, sir, because
Yeah,
if
you are near. Come on. It is near, but I just need try for a proper answer. Yeah, that is close.
if we need to change DB in future, so
Super. Who is this?
JDBC
Yes,
Ritesh
yes,
sir
yes, guys. Who is this?
will Ritesh sir.
Ritesh, super Ritesh. See, guys, basically, if you see this, what you're doing, guys, here you are writing one query, right? Suppose at this point of time, we are using what database? Which you might be using Oracle database, okay, right? Or MySQL database. But at some point of time, after 1 year, your database shifted to NoSQL database. Postgres database or Cosmos DB or RDS database, anything. Okay, then your syntax you need to replace, you need to change this structure or not, you need to change the syntax of the query or not. Am I correct, guys? So do you think is it a rework or not, guys? Is it a rework, right? Again, so 100 changing queries at, see, at the project level you cannot expect the queries to be this much simple, guys. Okay, at the project level the queries are too complex. Okay, if you want to change a single line change also, you need to see multiple things, guys. Okay, will it impact any other files, will it impact any other classes, will it impact any other functionality, like that you need to see multiple things, you need to cross check, guys. So if at the time of database shifting or migration, okay, if you see at the time of database migration or shifting, okay, if you want to change the code at each and every time, it is a rework or not, it is totally a rework, guys. So because of this reason there is no loose coupling. Okay, what was that, guys? There is no loose coupling, guys. In interview if someone is asking why JDBC is overridden by ORM framework, you need to give these two reasons, guys. Okay, clear, guys? Are you clear or not?
Like this one is the tight coupling with backend database, right?
Yes,
JDBC.
JDBC is having a very tight coupling. Okay, right?
Okay.
Because you're writing the query, guys, you're writing the query in a text format. So in the ORM you will be dealing with object, guys. Object is an object, so object is directly mapped to the row in the database, so there won't be any issue, okay, with whatever the database you're using, right? Okay, okay, so this is one of the prime reasons, guys. Don't think only boilerplate code. Okay, loose coupling is also one of the reason to become JDBC getting outdated. Okay, right. Come on, guys. So here we'll see how can we establish, how can we connect to, how can we interact with database, guys. Okay, we'll see in detail, guys. Okay, next Spring Web MVC. Okay, so we use time leaf, guys. Here, guys, can someone tell me what is the meaning of, what is the use case of time leaf, guys? Anyone have any experience or basic experience?
So it
Time.
is a presentation view, right?
Yes, guys. Basically, if for small screens, I don't want to integrate with the React or Angular, okay, then it will be a presentation screen which will be acting like a JSP page, right? JSP page, guys. Okay. So time leaf, you can say it's a presentation layer, guys. Okay. 6 months back I worked with time leaf, guys. Actually, yeah, right. Come on, guys. The module 6 is REST API. Okay. So we can see how to develop a distributed applications here. Okay. So what do you mean by this, guys? Suppose in my company, I am working with some car company, guys. Okay, that is famous car company. Okay, right. I'm not supposed to reveal my client name and all right now. So basically, from our we used to develop an API. From that API, we will be calling external API that will fetch the vehicle image, guys, or the car image. Okay, right. So that is what the interacting with the multiple systems is nothing but a distributed application, guys. Suppose if you take an Amazon, right? We have a order system, we have a payment system, we have a inventory system. So each one is a different layer. So this is nothing but a distributed application, guys. Okay, clear? Any doubts, guys, so far? Anyone? Guys, any doubts?
No, no, no.
Please, any doubts?
No, no.
No, right? Okay. Then comes microservices, guys. Yes, my question is microservices specific to Java or microservices specific to some technology? Is it like that? Is it technology or not?
No, no. It is an architecture.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
Actually, sir, it's a design approach, I think,
Yeah, it
to
is a design pattern, guys. Okay. So we can have a microservices concept in where, guys? .NET. We can have a microservice in Spring Boot. We can have a microservice in Python,
Node.js.
anything you can integrate, guys. Even recently we are working with micro front end, guys. Okay, so as part of the front end development in our project, we have implemented an approach of micro front ends in React. Okay, right? Come on. So this micro technology, our design pattern is becoming booming nowadays, guys. Okay, it's a boom. Okay, I can say, right? And it is so beautiful, guys. These concepts are so beautiful. Okay, right. So I want to give a high level of what is microservices, guys. Okay, right? Suppose if you take a banking application, right? Can you tell me what are the different kinds of services available in the banking application, guys? Anyone? Suppose if you open HDFC net banking, okay? So in the HDFC net banking, what are the services you can see, guys? Come on.
Withdraw,
Okay.
Low,
deposit,
Okay. Guys, let me connect the online whiteboard.
payment
Come on, guys.
transfer,
Guys, everyone, guys, I want everyone to interact in my class, guys. Okay.
loan application, loan servicer in
payment
loan.
transfer,
Sorry.
payment transfer,
Yeah, payment
UPI,
transfer. Okay.
Current account.
credit card, like that.
Yep,
And
guys. Okay. So you see
one
here. Come on, guys.
Term deposit, current account, saving account.
Yes. So if it is HDFC net banking, okay. So the multiple services I can see here. Come on. Credit cards. I think everyone is a victim of credit card, right? Here. No?
No.
No. Then that's great, guys. Okay.
loan
Credit card,
service,
debit card. Sorry.
loan service, loan sir, loan sir.
Loans. Okay. Under loans again, home loan, personal loan, like that you can have. Come on.
Yeah,
And pay money transfer.
money transfer.
Come on. What else, guys? Yeah. Come on, right? You can have a health insurance, something. Huh?
Yeah,
And you can have a mutual funds, something. There is a new option coming, right? MF. So like this, okay, suppose all these services are tied to one application, okay, like something like, one monolith application, right? What do you mean by monolith, guys? Every service is interact running on the same server. Then, if there is an impact in one service, then total, actually, you need to stop the total, all the services, am I right, guys? Suppose the credit, I found some bug in credit card service, then I need to stop all the services or not? Then is it a good approach? No, right? So because of that reason, okay, people come up with a microservice concept, guys. So each service is run on different server, okay, or different application, okay. So because of that reason, right? Suppose if credit card is down, okay, you can still these services work fine, guys. Okay, right? Guys, are you able to follow this? What microservices on a high level, at least?
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, right, guys. So you can say this microservice is what, guys? Design pattern. Okay, na? This microservice is a design pattern, guys. Okay. And the main advantage, I just want to tell you the main advantage, guys. Okay. I think here any working professionals are there. Suppose they might be knowing, they might be doing that day to day. What is that, guys? Come on. Can someone tell me? The main advantage. Suppose if you take the banking application, the month starting in month end, the withdrawals are high and deposits are high. Will you agree, guys?
Scaling, auto scaling.
Scaling.
Yes, auto scaling and deployment, guys. Suppose if I want to deploy the total all the services again, it will take a lot of time for deployment, guys. Okay, and scaling. Okay, suppose in the month start and month end, the withdrawal and credits are high. So at that time, if I scale that particular two service alone, it will be enough. No need to scale total services, right? Guys, what do you mean by scaling, guys? Can someone tell me? What do you mean by scaling?
And increasing and decreasing.
Yeah, what increasing and decreasing what?
Instance.
Yes,
Service,
increasing and
particular
decreasing the
microservice.
instances on which our application is deployed, guys. Okay. Increasing and decreasing of instances on which your application is running. Okay, na? Okay, clear, guys? Any doubts?
No.
And one more thing, deployment made so easy, guys. Okay, deployment made so easy. Ante kada. See, what suppose if you take my project, what I'm working, we used to deploy on where, guys? Cloud Run. Okay, Cloud Run is one of the what you say, uh, one of the service in GCP, guys. Okay, so we should deploy our service in Cloud Run. Okay, so if I want to deploy all the service again, will it take a lot of time? Am I right? For deployment, is it an issue or not, guys? It is an issue, guys. Okay, right? Okay, so maintenance becomes easy. Okay, so we can have a easy scaling, easy deployment, and we have a something called single point of failure, guys. Okay, so we can avoid single point of failure. Suppose if it is a monolithic application where all the services are tied up, so if one point of contact is becoming failed, then total service is gone down. Am I right, guys? So we can avoid single point of failure, guys. Okay, so these are the 3 to 4 advantages you can have on microservices over monolith application, guys. Are you clear, guys?
Sir, it's sir.
Huh? Sorry, any doubts, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, Srinivas, Ritesh, Venkat, Vijay.
Yes, I don't have.
Okay. Then the next concept is what, guys? Spring Cloud. Guys, don't think Spring Cloud is something related to cloud and all. Okay. People saying fancy. See, Spring Cloud is dealing with the Historics dashboard, okay, or Eureka service dashboard, like that, guys. Okay, so which are there on the cloud, okay, something like that. Okay, so here we can say Eureka server, Joule gateway. We'll see all those things, guys. Okay. Come on, guys. And you can have a health metrics also. Okay, so health metrics means how many are active, how many are not working, how many AP, something like that. We'll see, guys. Okay, in the after microservices, we'll see all these things, guys. Guys, one of our specialty of our course, guys. Can someone tell me what was the specialty when compared to remaining all courses in Amirpet or Maitrivanam? Can someone tell me what was the specialty of this Spring Boot course when compared to other Spring Boot courses? Anyone?
AWS deployment, AWS.
They interact with integration with cloud,
Yes, guys.
AWS,
The interaction
JSP.
with the cloud, okay, which I'm gonna tell, guys. So basically, okay, so the interaction with the cloud services, guys. Okay, cloud service on AWS. Come on, GCP and
Azure,
Azure. Okay,
Azure.
why you might be thinking if I learn one interaction with Spring Boot with AWS, is it enough? You might be thinking GCP is enough, guys. No, guys. In my current company, I am working with GCP. In my previous company, which I worked on United Health Group, UHG, okay, Optum, okay.
Okay.
So where I worked on Azure, guys, okay. So Spring Boot to Azure I worked. Okay, so
Mhm.
it is not like so you should learn AWS, GCP, Azure. See, it doesn't mean you need to learn end-to-end cloud. It is not like that. At least whatever. Suppose if you see AWS S3 bucket is there, at least you should know what is S3 bucket, how to connect to S3 bucket, what are the input parameters to require to connect to S3. Like that, multiple things you should learn, guys. Okay, GCP. Okay, so you can have a cloud storage, you can have a cloud server functions, like that. In Azure, we have a Cosmos DB, we have a uh, what is that? Client credentials storing. Okay, so multiple things. Or we have a blob storage. Okay, Azure blob storage. So S3 bucket,
Sir,
Cosmos DB.
SQS and SNS also covered, sir. SQS and SNS.
Sorry, please come again.
Yeah, SNS and SQS services are there, no, sir.
If
Like,
see, yes, actually in this concept, at that time we'll see how much in
okay,
depth
sir.
we can go. We'll go, guys. Okay, right?
Yes.
I can't promise in beforehand everything. Okay, but I will try to get as much as possible insights with related to interaction with cloud services, guys. Okay, this is very much mandatory, guys, because in the interview, if you're saying, sir, I don't know how to interact with any cloud, he will definitely think you are just a fake candidate, because nowadays any Spring Boot application is interacting with cloud service, guys, definitely, for sure. Okay, okay, we are
Yes,
not
sir.
at all interacting with direct database, guys. Okay, we are interacting with the database which are there on the cloud. Right now we are using BigQuery database, guys. Anyone know what is BigQuery database? Is anyone know?
No, sir.
BigQuery is the database which is there on the GCP, guys. Okay, which is there on the GCP, guys. Okay, in my previous company I have worked with Cosmos DB, which is there on the Azure, something like that. So you should say, guys, okay, you should say interaction to the cloud services, okay, in the architecture of your project. Then only he might be thinking, okay, you're a genuine candidate. Otherwise he will simply think you are a fake candidate, guys. Okay, that's what, guys. Okay, right.
And sir, Kubernetes also please cover, sir. Like,
Yes, sure, guys. Okay, see, at that time we'll figure out what are the technologies we are gonna interact, guys. Okay, fine.
yes, sir.
I
Yes,
will
sir.
try to I will try to push myself as much as possible, guys. Okay, right, in this concept. Okay, because this is our specialty, right? We should be teaching as much as depth, right?
Yes, sir.
Then comes 10th module, guys. Uh, Spring batch, guys. Anyone knows what is Spring batch, guys? Come on, guys. What is Spring batch? Basically, 2 weeks back, I was speaking with my fresher students. Okay, so uh, I used to teach DSERs earlier. So they used to say, sir, we are asking Spring batch. Okay, for the freshers, they're asking Spring batch to the freshers, guys. Okay, it's very real. Okay, very realistic. Okay, I'm not telling something lies or something like that to get the hype of this course. It is very real. Even I got shocked. Okay, I thought, for freshers, if they know the Spring Boot basics or Spring Core basics, I thought it is enough. But because of the competition nowadays, for a single job application, a single normal startup company, many hundreds of people are coming to interview, guys. Then how can they filter? Definitely they should go in depth. Am I right, guys? So people were asked with Spring batch, guys. Okay, can someone tell me what is the use case of Spring batch, guys? Anyone? Anyone, guys?
Bulk processing, bulk operations.
Group
Bulk
of records
operations.
we are
Okay.
a bulk operation, sir.
So I think in this class, everyone who are working, everyone done with ITR, right? ITR record, ITR.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
basically, ITR means what, guys? There are crores of employees working, okay, private and government sector. Everyone filed ITR to process everyone ITR money. So they need Spring batch, guys. Okay, am I right? Suppose if you say EPFO portal, okay. So basically, in EPFO portal, many people will claim the money, PF money. Okay, for them to settle, we need a Spring batch, guys. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So even I was really shocked. Okay, my fresher students are telling, sir, we were asked for Spring batch today in some startup company, guys. Okay, it is not something MNC or something like that. It's a normal startup. Okay, it's a good startup, by the way. Okay, they were asked these questions, guys. People are expecting 2 years bonds, 3 years bonds for freshers, guys. Okay, it was so disheartening to see. Okay, this okay, but that was the market, guys, nowadays. Okay, even as a trainer, I feel so sad actually. But when compared to other technologies, Java has a very good market, guys. Okay, and Spring Boot microservices very good market. Okay, trust me, guys. Okay, right. Spring Batch, come on, guys. So you can say IT, whatever, processing a large number of records, guys. Okay. Processing large number of records, we use Spring Batch, guys. Come on. Now the 11th one, Spring Security. Come on, guys. What is Spring Security, guys?
For authentication and authorization purpose.
JSW tokens.
So basically, in the module one, we will be developing RESTful APIs, guys. Spring Boot RESTful APIs. Am I correct, guys? So if I want to secure those RESTful APIs, I will be teaching with the Spring Security, guys. Okay. So in Spring Security, there are two things that are must and should for Spring Boot microservices. What are they? Can someone tell me those two technologies? Sir, those two, what to say?
OAuth
Other,
and JWT, sir.
yes,
WT
guys,
and auth.
JWT and OAuth, guys.
OAuth.
Okay, these two are so mandatory. Okay, if they are asking, see, there are totally 6 to 7 authentication procedures are there, guys. Out of the 6 to 7, these two are mandatory. In interview, someone is saying which authentication, how you are securing REST API. They will ask like they won't ask which authentication or with author. They won't use directly, guys. Okay, so they will be saying Okay, what is that? How you will secure your REST API? Okay, they will be asking that way. Then you need to say, sir, I'm using JWT. Sir, I'm using auth. Like that, you should say, guys. Don't say any other names. Okay, because they will think you are a fake candidate. Okay, because they are not in the market right now. Okay, when it comes to default security, what is that? Customized security or in-memory authentication, database authentication. Those four are not there in the market right now, guys. Okay, clear? So here we
Okay,
will
sir.
be discussing six. Okay, default security. Come on, customized security, in-memory authentication, and database security. And five is, come on, JWT and OAuth, guys. Okay. Can someone throw some light on JWT and OAuth, guys? What is this JWT? What is this OAuth, guys?
Token based mechanism, sir. Token using token here.
Yeah,
Well,
basically in
Token
JWT,
token,
we used to
JWT.
fetch the token, guys. Okay. With the token, we'll try to hit with the API again and again, guys. Okay. Till the time has been expired, guys. Okay. Then comes to OAuth. Can someone tell me what is OAuth, guys? Anyone? What is OAuth?
Basically, getting authentication from other providers like
Yes, guys. Suppose
GitHub,
if we take
Google.
any popular site, github.com, okay, na? Suppose if you want to log in, okay, there is a login button here, sign in, okay. See, guys, they're asking with continue with Google and continue with Apple, okay. So if you don't have a GitHub account, still if you have a Google account, okay, you can click on continue on Google, and that internally Google is interacting with the GitHub, guys, okay. And Google will ask GitHub, okay, GitHub, someone's the user named Sunil with so and so credentials is trying to access you on behalf is trying to access me on behalf of you, okay, like that. Can you check is this guy is a valid user at your end or not? Then GitHub will say yes or no. Based on that, you will be logged in or logged out, guys. Okay, are you clear, guys? What is OAuth now?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, because of this, we need Google, OAuth is required, guys. OAuth is mandatory. Nowadays, any site you take, okay, this OAuth is mandatory. Why people are using why people are implementing OAuth, guys? Can someone tell me? Why can't they use only sign-in method? Why people are come up with OAuth methodology?
We need to create again. We need to sign in, sir. Right?
Yes, it is a time waste process of the user. So people will skip. So many. Suppose if there are 100 people are there, at least 80 people will think why we need to fill all the form. They will feel lazy. Some people will feel it's a time waste process. So because of that reason, people will come up with OAuth. Okay, in the OAuth
What?
they will keep. The Google is nowadays everyone will have a Google account. I don't know about Apple or not, but Google account is everyone will have a Gmail account. Am I right, guys? So because of that reason, people are coming with OAuth, guys. Okay. So basically, most of the application will have Facebook and that one also. What is that? Yeah, Facebook will be there definitely, guys. Okay. Okay. So yeah, come on. So if you take a Book My Show application, the famous site for us, right? Is it famous or not, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Famous, right? So I think I already logged in. Okay. Sign out. See? See, guys. Continue with Google, email, and Apple, guys. Okay, clear? Like this. Guys, how many watched the movie Dude here? I watched, guys. But it is not that as expected, right? I expected like at the level of dragon, okay, but nothing is there like that. Okay, let's get back. Yeah, so the 11th module is what, guys? Spring security, okay? Now module 12. So we will learn multiple tools, guys, here, okay? Okay. So what are the tools, guys, we'll learn? Apache Kafka. Okay, Redis cache. And logging. Logging. JUnits. Guys, can someone tell me what is JUnit, guys? Anyone?
Testing
Testing for application after development done.
Guys, there are two types of testing, guys, okay? testing with
Yeah.
manual and automation testing. Okay, so before going for the
Unit testing.
manual and automation testing. Okay, so we should check all the code with respect to by the first the programmer has to check, guys. Okay, so if you simply given to the testing team, they will find lot of bugs, right? So if you write JUnits, you can reduce the bugs beforehand. Am I right, guys? Guys,
Yeah.
trust me, JUnit is one of the key component at the project level. People might be thinking it is very no importance, but at the project level, JUnit plays a major role, guys. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine.
What
Okay.
about to market sir? That is also.
Yeah, marketing is part of JUnit, guys. Okay, fine.
Okay.
When there is an external call, okay, suppose in your code you are trying to interact with the database, you are trying to interact with the cloud. At that time, you need to mock the external calls, guys. See, guys, actually in my project, I am one of the person who used to deal with the JUnits, guys. Okay, right? So apart from my development, I used to focus on JUnit and code coverage also, guys. What do you mean by code coverage, guys? Anyone?
Covering code.
Knowing
What?
the percentage of code is tested.
Each client has some expectation, guys. Okay, so our client
Sonar.
is expecting
Yeah.
90% code coverage, guys. Okay,
Mm.
right, guys. So if you trust me, guys, if you master this technology, you can survive in the project, guys. Okay. I have seen multiple people like that. Okay. In my
Yes,
career.
sir.
Docker. Okay.
And Kubernetes.
Okay. Now, so these are the 12 modules we will be covering as part of this course, guys. Okay. Any doubts, guys, with respect to this course?
Sir,
Let
how
me
many
share.
days,
I
sir?
think
Completely.
yeah, let's come into that guys. Okay, so it will be the course duration is 2 to 3 months, guys, and the price is 8,000, guys. Okay, and the recordings are free, guys. Okay, we are not charging any recording, guys. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, na? Right, let me share the in detail syllabus sheet, guys. 1 minute, let me get that link.
Sir, can explain the how project deployment in AWS S3 bucket. Everyone will cover in this course.
Yeah, in AWS we use EC2 server. Okay,
Okay.
and in GCP, okay, so we have a GKE, Google Kubernetes Engine. Okay, so we'll see, guys. We'll see the deployment strategies also. Sure. Okay, I am promising. Because I am a real-time engineer, so definitely.
Actually, interviews asking cloud with the cloud is there in resume. The interviews are scheduled, sir, nowadays.
That's what I'm telling, guys. Okay, see, interviews you need to say with respect to cloud only. Okay, if you say simply, they won't accept, guys. They won't believe also. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Guys. So when coming to the course fee and duration, see, so as updated by the institute, okay, right? The course fee is 8K, and they are not charging anything for recordings separate. The recordings are free, and the course duration is 2 to 3 months, guys. Okay, more than 2 months, less than 3 months. We'll try to cover, guys. Okay, this total course. Okay, na? Clear? Around 70 classes will cover, guys. Okay, and see, for every concept we will be trying with one minor project, guys, one POC kind of thing. Okay, so which will give you the real-time insights, guys. Okay, see, guys, I'm promising definitely this course will change your career to some level, guys. Okay, I'm not change. I won't say this course will create wonders or something. Okay, but definitely I believe this course will change the path of your direction. Okay. No, Ashutosh. I think for 6 to 1 year. I think 6 months to 1 year. Yeah, like that. Yeah. And if you want to extend, you can speak with the that institute management. Okay, fine.
Sir, Kubernetes is what you are going to cover, sir, in Kubernetes, suppose.
And monitoring we'll try to do, guys. Okay, with Kubernetes pods. Okay, that cluster pods. Okay, those things. YAML files. Ingress. Yeah, those things will cover, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the course duration is 2 to 3 months, and recordings are free, and course fee is 8K, guys. Okay, clear? Any doubts, guys, in today class? And tomorrow at the same time we will be taking, guys. Okay, right?
Sir, class will be 8 to 9 only, sir, and that only, right? 8
Yeah,
to 9.
if some days if we need, we'll go for 9:15. Okay, some days, like
Okay, sir.
But see, I believe if we take more time, also student will getting bored, right? See, if we take
Please,
1 hour,
yeah, that's what, sir. By 9, can you, because we need to go to office like that.
Yeah,
sir.
that's also one concern, right? Yeah, definitely will end by 9 o'clock only, guys. Mostly, okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And guys, trust me, this course at least it will change the path of your direction, guys. Okay, your career. Okay, definitely, guys, because this is the course where we'll be interacting with multiple databases. This is the course where we'll be dealing with multiple cloud services, and multiple technologies will come into the picture, guys. Okay, this is a professional course. Okay, right? Even freshers can also learn, right? So definitely, I will try to give my best, guys. Okay, in this course. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir, after completing this course, we'll get remote job also, right, sir?
See, and I will tell you how to, how to apply for jobs, how to approach the job opportunities. Also, I will be sharing my experiences, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, job searching is, see, if you learn this technologies, or if you learn the concepts well, okay, you can see freshers are getting jobs. Okay, so freshers are getting jobs. I don't know how many are freshers here. Some of my fresher students got the jobs in the current market. Okay, understand?
Mm.
Okay, right, guys. Then, huh? Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye, guys. Good morning. Very good morning.
Sir, any evening batches are also running?
Any?
Evening batches.
Yeah, one batch is there that is running. Okay, so 8 o'clock. Okay, so we just completed Spring Core. Okay, we entered Spring Boot. If you want to enroll that batch, that's fine.
So how many classes have been completed in that batch?
Like, see, basically, first 5 to 6 classes are theory part only. Okay, officially 5 to
Okay.
6 classes are done. Okay, so we have recordings
Uh,
also. So if you
okay,
feel
okay.
evening comfortable, then come to that batch. Okay.
So for now the Spring Core is completed.
Yeah, Spring Core is completed for that batch, and we have recordings also. Okay.
Okay, okay. That the timing is 8 to 9 p.m.
Yeah, 8 to 9 p.m. exactly.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Uh,
na?
so if I enroll in that batch, then later on, if I feel that I have to enroll in this batch, morning batch, so can I shift in this batch also?
See, guys, I'm not sure exactly. You can speak with the management, but there is a possibility, sir, there, guys. Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I can't issue because I'm just a trainer here, right? But I don't know how these management things will work on. Okay, right? Yeah, but you can come to that batch. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Because we are at the Spring Boot only. Okay? We started with Spring Boot yesterday. Okay, we completed the Spring Core,
So,
the
so
Spring Basics.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So both these batches will be completed by the difference of only 5 to 10 days. Is it?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, correct.
Only 5 to 10 days, sir. Only 5 to 10 days only.
No, we
Okay.
just completed 10 classes only in the evening batch.
Evening. Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
guys.
okay.
I hope everyone has enjoyed the class today. Yeah, thanks for joining. Very morning. Yeah. Bye bye, guys. Have a nice day. Yeah, bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.